This is TV shows on video calls, and today we are talking about The Mandalorian. And okay, let's begin. Hi, sir.
Hello, Meet. How are you?
Very well. So, The Mandalorian. How did you
Yes,
like it?
I absolutely loved it. And like The Witcher, I think I am gonna be biased about this show as opposed to your your reactions to it.
Okay, so like The Witcher, I'm still gonna be biased about this show as well. Uh, right off the bat, सबसे पहली चीज जो मैं एड्रेस करना चाहता हूँ वो ये है कि द क्रिएटर ऑफ दिस शो इज जॉन फेवरो. So if you guys don't know Jon Favreau, he's the guy who directed Iron Man and kickstarted MCU, and he directed uh, the new Jungle Book movie, and he directed the Chef, right? So he's a great director. He's a great visionary. He also directed The Lion King, which got a lot of hate actually, but he is a visionary and he's great at what he does. एंड उसने इस पर्टिकुलर शो के लिए एक बहुत ही इम्प्रेसिव कास्ट ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स असेंबल किया है, विच इज समथिंग न्यू टू मी because we have star directors for this show. So we have different trademark styles of different directors. Like the last episode starts with two stormtroopers arguing about something, right?
Yeah,
And that is so Taika Waititi. That is the most Taika Waititi I've ever seen in Star Wars, and I think he's getting to. There are rumors that he's getting to direct a Star Wars movie, and I would love to see that movie soon. This is a
yeah.
great time to live.
I think I had lost all hope after watching the last Star Wars movie. What was it
Yeah.
called? The Rise of the Skywalker. I think that
Uh,
that was beyond all kinds of disappointments for me. But the Mandalorian just took that whole world to a completely different level for me,
yeah.
and like we were discussing about other shows, like for the Mandalorian, you are invested in the character within the first 5 minutes of the show. Like it happens so effortlessly, and it's like, oh, there it is. This is what you're gonna follow. Yes, we want to know what happens next. It happens so effectively, and and you know what after after I started watching the show, and after like it was 30 minutes or so into the episode, I was like, no one is talking,
Hmm.
no one is speaking, no one is saying anything, and how and still the story is progressing. How great is that? So that was again something which I felt that was something so which is so difficult to handle, like storyboarding
Yeah.
something which is just action based and no dialogues. I think that's the work of a master, I believe. And another thing why the Mandalorian had such a strong appeal for me was because it was just so clean. There's
Yeah.
this just limited set of characters, clear idea, clear paths, clear directions, and no
Hmm.
paraphernalia here or there, no distractions,
Hmm.
and that reflected in the frames of the show as well, like how they have shot it. It is so clean,
Hmm.
so minimalistic in most of its approach, and it was such a relief to see something like that after some things which are so complex, like Game of Thrones or even The Witcher for that matter. This was such a sigh of relief to see, okay, there is no distraction, no noise, this is what it is, one thing at a time,
Hmm.
let's go ahead.
Yeah, I totally agree to that, and I think the acting in this show is great, especially the lead, because it's really tough when your face is not on camera and you have to convey emotions, and he's doing that all of that with his gestures and his voice. So when he's tired, when he's sad or angry or anything, he's very subtle about it, and he's doing a very great job with it.
I'm still to understand that actually. I've been hearing this from a lot of people. So how I think about it is that it's almost like how animation happens. Like there's a character which will not show your facial expressions,
Yeah.
and you have to voice. So for me, it was more like that. But I still need to understand this properly to comment on that.
ओके. सो राइट ऑफ द बैट जब हमने स्टार्ट किया था ये शो देखना, मैंने जब स्टार्ट किया था ये शो देखना, I was amazed at the production design,
Oh yes,
and and how slowly they were letting the story move. They were
yes.
okay with not being all grand about it.
Oh
Moreover,
yeah.
the background score. My God, that's an iconic background score, and I think people are going to cover this a lot on YouTube, and I think people are going to be, humming this around all day, and people definitely are going to buy this.
There are already multiple versions in the various instruments that's coming up on YouTube, which I keep listening to all the time. Do you have an audio file of the soundtrack? Because I think I want to make that my ringtone now. I'm done with the breakup song, I believe.
Okay, so I don't have it, but definitely अब तो मुझे ढूंढना पड़ेगा because I also want to make it my ringtone now.
Yeah, it's quite a soundtrack, and like, so another thing which I loved about the show was it is episodic in the true sense. Like one story begins, ends, that's it, and the next
Yeah.
episode the story begins, ends, and that's it, and then it moves on. It was so satisfying to just see these mini movies, one at a time.
Yeah.
Like, okay, you sit down with your drink or with your food, and then you're eating, and then you're watching, and then it gives you the complete satisfaction of entertainment, and then you wait for the next episode, and then you watch the next one. It was really fulfilling for that point of view.
It really is, and the best part is कि I saw the director's vision in every episode. So since we have these different character directors, right? So
Hmm.
every episode has something that comes from that particular director, and no one else can do it. And all the directors had the freedom to do this. जबकि ऐसा shows में usually होता नहीं है. A director is given a particular episode, but the creator's vision is always clear. So the director only does what he's supposed to. Here we get a few bits of that particular director's speciality. So किसी के लिए वो action होगा, किसी के लिए वो heavy CGI set piece होगा, या heavy production design होगा, and it's just amazing. And the most amazing part about Star Wars is that even though we have all these different directors, and even when we talk about movies, there are so many different directors, and still we feel like we are in the same world. The world is never tempered, even in the bad Star Wars movies. We
No, but
still
I,
have
I
the
kind
same
of
world.
felt that missing in the last Star Wars movie. It didn't feel like the same world anymore.
Okay, okay, yeah, yeah. It was pretty MCU-ish, I believe.
Yeah, yeah. Which was not called for, I believe.
Yeah. But yeah, a Mandalorian made up for the last Star Wars movie, and that is saying a lot
Definitely.
because
Yeah,
a
yeah.
lot of people hated it.
And coming back to the to the soundtrack, it so
Mhm.
clearly announces that this is a cowboy western treatment, and
Yeah.
this is how the music is, and this is what how it's gonna be. You're gonna have, like expansive. Sandy landscapes, and there's gonna be one guy marching on and on and on, and
Mhm.
that's the kind of feel you get from the soundtrack itself, and it is so effective from that point of view.
Uh-huh. Okay, so overall, what did you think about The Mandalorian?
I can just like the Haunting of the Hill House. I can watch the
Mhm.
Mandalorian 10 times over.
Okay, The Haunting of Hill House, I totally agree with that. And The Mandalorian, yes, I can definitely watch it again. So,
Okay,
if
I've
you were
already
to
seen
rate
Haunting
The
of the Hill House
Mandalorian,
3 times actually. The whole show 3 times, all the episodes 3 times.
yeah, but I still believe it's superior.
Okay,
Okay, so if you were to rate The Mandalorian, what would you rate it?
I won't rate. I would just say I'll watch it 10 times over. What is your rating?
Okay, I would give it 9 Baby Yodas out of 10.
You're very generous with your ratings actually.
Yeah, yeah, but I love. Okay, Baby Yoda alone is a great reason to give it an amazing rating.
I want Baby Yoda, by the way. I want one Baby Yoda. This is all we have for today. If you want us to discuss anything else, please let us know in the comments down below. See you next time.